Hey guys, so on day 2 of my Dubai birthday adventure, a lot of stuff went down. Well, looks like y'all made it this far. Now before I show you all that went down, I just want to let you guys know I used the same website for the first 7 days, the iventurecard.com, for all my activities. I booked like 40 activities for 1 week. I did everything. So if you love adventure like I do, definitely go to the iVentureCard website. Get the unlimited pass, which is what I use. Guarantee you're going to have the time of your life like I did on my second day. Now, before I show you everything, y'all know what it's time for. Theme music. Finally, it's day 2. Monday! Oh my god! Dolphins! I love dolphins so much. So, this is the Dolphinarium in Dubai, and the dolphins are so freaking talented and so cute. I want my own pet dolphin. Of course, I know you can't actually have it, but a girl can dream. Oh! I love all the little tricks they do, as you see here. This one was my favorite. Slide and glide. Oh my god, I love this! They even taught him how to fetch. This is so cool. Oh my god! I want my own dolphin. I wish I sat closer to the bottom so I could shoot the ball back to them. That was really cool. Also, if you have small children, this show is perfect. Oh, and this trick when she's standing on their nose, go ahead with your bad self. It's a really cute, a really awesome show. But it's not, for me, for someone who's a thrill seeker, it's not as exciting. But it is really cool. If you have small children, this show is perfect. Oh, and I did pay more for this extra dolphin swim. It was about $130 US. I really liked it. Oh, there's me. Look at all cute. Aww. Bye, Dolphy. Aw, this one is so cute too. I did pay for these photos. I will mention every photo in Dubai, they are very expensive. They could be like even $30 for one photo, even $40. The Dubai frame is a very chill activity, so if you're looking for an exciting adventure, this wouldn't be my top recommended, but if you're looking for something chill and quick and easy to do during a relaxed day, I definitely recommend the Dubai frame. It's super high up, like wow, and you can see a lot. It's very similar type of view when you're at the Burj Khalifa. So it's really amazing. I love these photos I got. So cool. And this, oh my god, you can't 100% tell in this video, but when you're there in person, the floor disappears when you're at the very top there, and it does actually feel like you're about to fall through the frame. Yes, I did do a photo shoot. Yes. It's time for the beach. The beach was amazing, guys. Oh, I went to the Jumeirah Beach. It's actually the most popular beach in Dubai. Absolutely fun. They have a lot of water sports and activities like camel rides, jet ski, all of the fun stuff. Oh, the camel! Oh my god, I love the way this feels. It's so weird and strange and fun and exciting and cool all at the same time. I've never touched a camel before. This is really cool. Photo shoot. Boom. Boom. And the view is so amazing. Hey, birdie. They even have the world's largest inflatable water park. So it is actually really fun, but I will warn you, you will probably get burned. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm in the middle of the ocean, guys. I can't swim. I have on a flotation vest thing. Oh my god. They told me that I had to swim to the water park by myself because they're not allowed to help you. And I'm freaking out. God, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. The view, I'm telling you, from the beach is absolutely breathtaking. OM freaking G. These streets, these Dubai streets, y'all, I'm telling you, they have sweepers and moppers and stuff wiping down the street that people are walking on. They actually have people cleaning the sidewalk like it's the inside of your home. But I think they only do in the nice areas like this, because I walked other places, they were not cleaning those streets. Like normal sidewalks, normal streets. But honestly, in this section, they keep these streets very clean. I'm telling you, they were like mopping and sweeping or something. But they were making sure it's pretty.
Everything is rich, everything is clean. Look at these steps. Look at that. This is a hotel, man. Some of these I think are businesses, but I think over here they're hotel because it's the beach.
Oh, I love the landscape here. Oh my god, this is full of hotels. I decided to actually walk to my next activity. Oh my god, this gate is gorgeous. I'm telling you, if you ever come here, you definitely have to just walk the streets. Oh my god, look at that car. This is what I keep hearing about. Oh, and you see these cabs here? These are the official cabs in Dubai. So if someone's pulling up to you, telling you to get in, they're a taxi, don't buy it. This is what the taxis look like in Dubai. They even have big van-like ones like here. So if you don't want to use Uber, or you don't have Uber or whatever, these are the taxis you would get, and they're everywhere. I'm telling you, from morning to night, there's nowhere you would go, a hotel, activity, anything, you're always going to find a taxi somewhere. Always.
So I'm just walking the streets of Dubai, living my Dubai life, y'all. Wish you were here.
I am really close to the Dubai Marina to go on my splash boat tour. Y'all, this is the Dubai Marina view, just walking there. These buildings are insane. Now, the company I used was Speed Tours. It was a 90-minute tour. It was about $32, but again, I used the Adventure Card 7-day unlimited pass, so I got to use as many activities as I wanted in 7 days, and I booked everything up. OMG. If only I could stand the humidity, I would live here. Oh, and these are more boat. These are dinner cruises. I'm actually later on my trip in a couple of days. I'm gonna be on one of those boats too. I'm also going on a yacht on my birthday. I decided to go out. Oh, and this is the Burj Al Arab. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's the only 7-star hotel in the entire world. This is the Palm Atlantis. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. Boom. Yes. Do it. Do it to them. Alright, well, that's the end of everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And stay tuned for day 3.